Hey, Anna, are you in there?
Yeah.
Are you good as new yet?
No, I said for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, but we gotta get home.
Okay, I'll come out.
Alright. Oh, you are good as new. Look at you. I think you lost a sock though. Oh, there it is.
I think I'm dirty again. But I'll be good as new after I get the sock on.
Okay.
I'll be good as new after I wear my 2 socks in there.
Oh, okay.
Can you do it for me?
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, now I got
Alright. Make it quick though.
Okay, I'll do it quick.
Alright.
Uh-oh.
You almost done?
I'm not done yet.
Oh, okay. Okay, Anna, stop banging around. You done yet?
I can do it. You got that one.
Anna, stop that. Oh, you're getting new? Okay. Are you done yet? Are you good as new? Oh. Hey, Anna, come on. We need to get going.